Alrighty guys, so I got the bike all back together. I got the new bearings. I didn't really show that because it was a rush job. It's Friday and I wanted to go drag racing. Timmy over here, he convinced me. He said he was going and I was like, well, I got my bike done, so got it done just in time. So here she is. I don't know where I'm going to mount the cameras. I'm probably just going to have maybe 1-2 camera angles on it. I'll show you the slips after each run, but here's to hoping. I hope I go 9's. There's some pretty fast bikes here tonight, so maybe if I find a better camera location I can put it on there, get some racing against some bikes, but let's get into it. This should be fun. Oh yeah, and they had a jet car that night, so I had to wait for it, so do you.
Whoa, 544, 288 mile an hour.
Alrighty guys, we are in the lanes now. It's a little bit later. They have an event going on tonight, so it's pretty busy up here. But it looks like I'm racing Timmy in his Civic. He just threw his slicks on. So this car, actually, believe it or not, should be a pretty good race. He should run, if all works well, he should be in the 10s with that thing. So let's see. Alrighty, here we go. Racing Timmy. I got traction control on level 2, full power mode. I'm going to avoid the water. First time doing a burnout. That was pretty cool.
Here's who made it. Jeff Sands.
Haven't done that for a while. I have not done that for a while. Something happened to Timmy's car there. He broke something. I don't know if it was an axle, but something broke on Timmy's car. Hoo-wee. First time I've done that in a long time. Alright, we'll see what I ran. Let me go see what happened to Timmy up here. You good? What's that?
It blew up or something.
Oh man!
Fucking great. It hooked. It fucking went.
I know. I was like, oh shit, I gotta go.
It was like, and I'm like, it was like running on 2 cylinders.
Do you want me to see if I can put my foot on your back and push you, or you want to just want me to run it, get the truck? Well, that was exciting for my first run in a long time. I haven't been on a fast bike in a while, so
Yeah.
yeah.
It's always fun to go fast.
I was sleeping on the tree, and Timmy here luckily broke his car. So
I would have got you.
what are we doing there, Timmy?
Look at this drop valve. Got a valve hanging up in aisle 1.
We're gonna see what Timmy did to his engine. If you look down the spark plug hole, what's that? Cylinder number 1? Yeah, cylinder number 1.
Why is that one so much shorter?
You've got this going on. Whoopsie! Oh, that's no good. No,
Yeah.
nice. Oh yeah, pushed it right through there.
Yeah, well that one's shorter, that one's sticking out. That's the one that dropped.
Yeah.
This one has no valve, it's just a spring.
Yep.
Okay.
That's not good. But this is what I ran for the first time on this bike. Never mind Timmy's awesome reaction there to my...
It pushed the valve right down, the keeper's still in it.
Oh my god. So what, it broke off the...
Push the valve out. Like you can see the keeper, look under the rocker. You can see the keeper, see it?
Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah, just pushed it right through. Jeez. Jeez, kids.
Shit happens.
Alright, so...
Get a part and fix it, right?
That's right. It'll live another day. So,
One day.
reaction time was 0.2, which is horrible. I was sleeping. Timmy completely destroyed me out of the hole. 1.6 to a 2.1. My goodness.
Yeah, the car hooked, bang second, no valve.
So right about this 330 mark is about where a valve started to get sucked down into the engine, somewhere in between 60 and 330.
13.1 and still went 96 miles an hour, huh?
Oh yeah, you still went 13.1, same as the first one.
Yeah, just 22 mile an hour slower.
Much slower. Yeah, I went, on the other hand, 7.3 to the 8th at 113, and then a 1077 at 142. So I've got the mile an hour. I just need to work on the rest of the curve here, under the quarter mile. So I really need to pick up this 330. I need to get that in the 4s for sure. And then hopefully by the end of the night I can get this 8th mile time down into the 6s. That's what I'm shooting for. But that's where we are so far. Timmy's gonna either tear into his engine now or later. But we know what's wrong with it. You broke it. Maybe now you can hold the camera. Second run under my belt. Went a little bit better in some spots and a little worse in others. So I rode the clutch a little bit too much. That pass there, I actually felt that. And then when I finally released the clutch, front end came in the air. Started to, and then I backed out of it because I got scared. But here's what we did. The reaction time was much better, 0.70. My 60 foot's down a little bit, 2.0. My 330 was better. My 8th was better, so everything is improving. I just need to give it a heck of a lot more off the line. That's for sure. Release the clutch a lot more.
My shit's still blown up.
Yes, quick update. Timmy is still blown up. Yes. We didn't fix it. Are you packing it up for the night, Timmy?
Huh?
Are you leaving for the night?
I'm not leaving for the night. I'm just gonna strap it down.
That makes sense. Yeah, Timmy broke his car too much. He doesn't have anything to fix it. So
Shit happens.
there's always next time.
One more day.
Alrighty guys, so I just made another pass and it was a lot better that time. So my 330s are going down, as you can see. I went down to a 4.8 330 there and then a 7.0 8th mile. So that stuff's improving. I just need to work on that 60 foot time and then I think we'll be golden. So that was a 10:53. Again, 142 seems to be the mile an hour I'm going to get, but had a little bit of a red light on that one. It's just getting the nerves up to know that that front wheel is going to come up and the traction control is going to catch it. So once I understand that and am better prepared for it, I think it'll improve much better. And Timmy's car is still broken, but it's completely loaded up now.
Update, still broken.
Update.
Newsflash.
Newsflash. This just in.
Shit's
Timmy's
wrecked.
broken.
Not wrecked,
Just broken. We didn't wreck. No wrecks. We don't want wrecks.
No rectum.
No rectum. But that's, I think that was it. They called it, right? So we're just gonna clean up and I'll close this thing out by saying bye-bye. See you in the next video. Thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing. Anything, Timmy?
Peace out.
Peace out.
Yeah.
See you later, guys.